Good morning, traders. It's Wednesday, 20th of October, 2021. We're just putting together a watch list for traders. We do this twice a week, so we find that it helps our traders, gives them a sense of direction, and they know what to look for. So I thought I'd just give you a little bit of a glimpse of some of the charts on the watch list today. One of them is Kiwi CAD, which is weekly time frame, as you can see. And we seem to be bouncing within a range at the moment. We have a resistance here, which has been support, resistance, okay? And we have support here. And we're bouncing from support with this nice weekly bullish candle. And this week so far is pushing as well to the upside. So I'm interested in longs on this particular pair up into that 9,000 region. So it's a case of looking for corrections in the market on smaller time frames to try and get long. There is a zone round about that 88,000 level, which could be of interest to look out for, and I would set an alert around there. It's an area of previous resistance which we've broken but hasn't been retested yet, so you might find that price could come back into that zone and we might see buyers coming from there. So that is something that we are going to be looking out for. It may pull back further, we don't know, but certainly that zone looks of interest purely because it was resistance before. Sometimes though, CAD can really just go, if you know what I mean, and I'll show you exactly what I mean by looking at the left hand side of the chart here. It kind of just goes with very, very small pullbacks. I'm hoping that doesn't happen. I'm hoping we get, you know, like a pullback like this one, for instance, which was a deeper pullback into the zone, and looking to go along from there. So keep your eyes open. I'm going to put an alert right now around that 88 level. I'm going to keep this on my chart as well, the arrow, so when I come back to it I know exactly what I'm looking for or looking at. What else is on the watch list? Pound Aussie is on the watch list. There's a very, very nice weekly trend line in play, which I will show you here. Might be better actually looking at the daily, but it's been respected there, here a number of times, and we're coming towards it at the moment. Now we're not quite there, so that would lead me to believe that if price was going to come and test this trend line, that there is a little bit of room for sells on Pound Aussie. Okay, it's getting, the closer we get though, the less the probability of success. But what I would say to you is look for sells, be aware of where the trend line is. Ideally, the situation occurs where we get a rally. What we say is we sell rallies. So we get a rally to the upside, but we're not fooled by the buying. We're actually letting the rally die out, and then we're looking for sellers to come in. So ideally, we get a rally, and then we start to see something like this, an evening star pattern, as we see sellers come in. That would be the ideal situation. One more that might actually play out today is euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar has come into 4-hour structure. Here, resistance, support. It's also a 50% fib level. Okay, we've got the impulse correction, impulse correction. We could be making another move back to test this high here, and if we break that, we may come up into that 117 area. So be on the lookout for that at the moment. It's looking interesting. We're seeing some buyers come in. Maybe you could look for a morning star pattern. Maybe you look at it in regards to moving averages. There is a counter trend line here. So, you know, technically, really, we want to see a break of this high here because we've got a high, a lower high. Really want to see a higher high, and, you know, potentially something like this, where we actually make a higher high, we come back, retest the level, and then look to go from there. But keep your eyes on this. Keep your eyes on euro dollar. Purely because the dollar index is in that descending, that's got that descending downwards momentum at the moment. Potentially this is a correction, and we could be seeing some more downside. So we do like a bit of dollar weakness at the moment. That is the market sentiment. So if that continues, you'd look for euro dollar long. Anyway, that's just a few of the charts on the watch list today. Obviously our members will get the full watch list, but we wanted to give you a glimpse of what's going out today. So guys, have a great day. Keep that risk nice and low, safe trading, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.